All right, now let's go ahead and test when the currency is not yet supported. So let's go ahead and create a new test, and then should not, and then charge, and then charge card when currency not supported. There we go. Actually should not charge and throw, there we go, when currency not supported. So what we're going to do again is let's copy everything from here. So this will be the building blocks, and you could actually have some refactoring around with tests, but it's best if you copy things, and it's best if even if your methods they look long, right, it doesn't matter, right, because you go into one test and you can see exactly step by step the definitions, right? So copying and pasting within tests, it's not a problem at all. Now let's go ahead and pretty much just paste everything here. And what we're going to do, so here, so you see currency USD. So what we're going to do is actually open up the currency, and let's add a new currency here. Let's simply say euros. So EUR, right? And let me go back to the test, and here let's simply say euro, right? So we know that this won't be supported because it's not on the list here, right? It's not on this list. Now let's go back to the test. So now what I'm going to do is the following. So here I'm going to say charge card, right? And we know that we have euros here, so given, and then card payment charger, so we know that this won't be executed, right? So we're going to say then, and then card payment charger dot should have no interactions. There won't be no interactions with the card payment charger. So delete these lines. So no interaction with card payment charger, and let me pretty much delete that. There we go. And what I need here is the following. So I need to put this here. So when, so here when, and then there, right? So the message that we simply throw is currency and then not supported, right? So let me simply update that. So currency not supported, and the currency is euros, right? So I can simply say let me actually extract this, and then currency, and let me put this here, and then euros, and there we go. So now inside here I'm going to say plus, and then euros. Oops, what did I call it? Currency. So currency, there we go. So currency not supported. The same, this will be illegal state exception, and this will be then no interactions with card payment charger, and the payment repository should never have should never save, right? And also let me see if we actually use the payment repository. So I think the payment repository, we just use it at the end. So let's actually do the same. So here, so payment repository should have no interactions, and I think this will be it, right? So when you copy tests around, right, so make sure that you also update the comments. So let me put that there, no interactions with payment repository, and I think we can simply do the same here. So let's take this and go to the previous test in here. So then payment repository should never, so we can simply say zero interactions, right? Or actually no interactions. And here I forgot to update the comments. So card is not charged successfully. And there we go. So make sure you update the comments as well. Now let's go ahead and run this test right here and see what happens. Just give it a second, and it fails. So it fails because expecting currency and then within these brackets, but I didn't. So let me go ahead and simply add those brackets. And this is the power of testing, guys. So testing is beautiful. So I actually need to add a space here and space there, and let me go to the actual, oops, not there, and let me go to the actual service and also add a space here. Now let me run the test again, and there we go. You can see that it works. So this is everything for when the card is not charged because the currency is not supported. Next, let's go ahead and test the final edge case, which is when the customer is not found.